So we're here at the Transportation Innovation Expo, and here we have Rachel, and Rachel's from a company called Deck, and they build this cool toolbox for pickup trucks. So I just had to show it to you. And Rachel, can you show us this toolbox you built? Tell us about it and how does it work?
Sure, absolutely. So we're called Decked because we created deck in the back of the truck bed or cargo van area. As it relates to EV, you can install the Decked products inside a vehicle and you don't sacrifice performance. So the idea is a super lightweight, recycled upfit that will not sacrifice performance and help reduce carbon emissions because it is so lightweight. So we've got these full-size or full bed-length drawers here that have different components on the inside to allow you to accessorize and get much more organized than an existing work truck is in the bed itself.
Can I try? That slide's really nice.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
Some of these sliders are kind of clunky and...
Yeah, you have to roughhouse it a little.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so we've got a sealed bearing wheel there, which really allows that to move really smoothly. I had mentioned this, but we're 100% American made, and it's also a no drill install. So as far as leases go and electric vehicles, drilling can be deadly,
right.
or can just reduce the sellback price of a vehicle. Then we have up here the Cargo Glide sliding tray. I'm going to step over here and show you. So this comes out about 70%, but it's a hold 1,000 pounds on top. Meanwhile, the drawer system holds 2,000 pounds, so you don't lose that usability of the bed itself.
This is pretty nice. It keeps you from having to climb up in there and then jump out and break an ankle or mess up a knee. And
yeah, so ergonomics is really a big thing for us. How can we get workers in the field working from their core power zone and not having to bend, crawl, jump into the bed?
Yeah, I can see how it'd be a real big safety thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
I just saw you show somebody else another feature. Can you show that to me?
Yeah, so back here we have a new crossover toolbox. We just launched this fall. This is built to be weatherproof and super theft deterrent. Again, all recycled material. We have it's a polymer material with steel. But what's really neat about this is the ladder option. So we were just speaking to ergonomics. Trucks are getting so much taller nowadays, even without a lift or special tires. So this is going to give you that better access. You've got your 3 points of contact into the inside of the toolbox itself.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so we're really excited about this. All really good options from Decked, manufactured in Ohio. And you can find more information on our website at decked.com.
Awesome. American-made company, customer service in the United States.
That's our big thing. We answer our phone, and that's paramount to us.
That's a big thing for me. Is when I call for support, that I get it from somebody who knows what that made the product.
Right.
I can tell you about it. So
yeah, absolutely.
Well, thanks a lot. And that's decked.com, decked.com. Do you have a phone number or anything you want to give out, or email?
Yeah, you can email sales@decked.com for more information, and we'd be really happy to get you pricing, and we offer special fleet pricing. So yeah, check us out.
Designed for all the different major manufacturers of trucks?
Yeah, we do fit all trucks and cargo vans in all 5 OEs. So Ford, Ram, GM, Nissan, Toyota, and service bodies as well. So all utility beds.
Excellent. Well, thanks for showing us that. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.